Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Today is May 15, 2022, and people, they are keeping a memorial service for Lexi the Bess, right? So her name is Lexi Ann Williams. That's her correct name, but we all know her as Lexi the Bess, right? And we know what happened, right? It was tragic on March 18 of this year. We all know what happened with Lexi, and I think two other people were in the car as well. And my condolences to their friends and families, as well as, you know, rest in peace to the other two people them too. So people, like me said, it's a YouTube live and the link is below. So if you watch this after 12 o'clock Jamaica time today, it's already started. And you know what I mean, if you catch it and you watch this video, you know what I mean, you can come and see me and tell us what go on. Now people, in addition to that, I just found out that my birthday and Lexi's birthday was the same day, as well as Dancing Rebel birthday, right? And that is November 27. I never know that. I just looked on the flyer just now and I saw it. And that kind of, you know what I mean, hit home, because I'm like, yo, me not even know. You know what I mean? I could have bigger up on my birthday and whatever. You see what I mean? I say, we still I got to do it though. You know? You see me, when my birthday come round, we have to remember say Alexi birthday as well. And when I know the thing got people, you know, right now, I do some tough times where I got two people that lose them life left, right, and center. I myself lost a friend. You know, the other day, and I just want to just set out some blessings out there and telling the people, you know what I mean, we have to be careful. And anybody we have got through anything right now, just know that there is better on the other side. You see what I mean? I say sometimes you have to get through it to get to it, right? So people, I'm going to big up yourself once again. Rest in peace to Lexi the Bess. You saw me, I say, and the other two persons them within a car. Sorry, man, keep on. I say the other two persons, I don't know them name right now. You saw me, I say, but I don't know all them thing they go. Lexi did that on Instagram every day. So of course, me I go remember her in comparison to the other people. We're not saying that the other people they don't matter or nothing like that. So I don't want to read it that way. You saw me, I say, but people, let's kick off things and let's talk about Shaneil Muir. So Shaneil Muir look like she have the summer lock. I got all the way into September. You saw me, I talk about show wise. She's booked out people, book all the way. I'm proud of the top girl. You see me, she have a UK tour coming up, and if you're in the UK and you're in any of them city where she announced, people, you got to be there. You see what I say? You got to be there because the top girl now play. The top girl I got hard. Yesterday she was in California, in Sacramento. You see what I say? And then she move on to a couple other places in the US and then the Caribbean, all over. You see me? She also booked for Reggae Sumfest. So I don't know, so the top girl lip on fire. Girl in demand right now. You see what I say? My artist that. You know how I feel about Shaneil Muir already, right? So people may have a little clip with her and she talk about the cities them where she got there in England. So if you're in or any surrounding cities that she announced right now, you know what I mean? When you just check out the top girl, I know enough I already know about this because she did already say she's gonna be in UK from about January. I made a video about that. So I see well if people comment and say them happy did the people say they must see if go. So the time is nigh, right? So I'm gonna play the video, I couldn't hear what the top girl says. So check this out. Here it goes.
To all my England fans, I will be live and direct on my debut tour for 5 dates in June. So click the link in my bio to select your tickets and to see all the info that you need. So listen, man, it's June 3rd, I will be in London. June 5th, I will be in West Midland. June 10th, I will be in Sheffield. June 11th, I'll be in Manchester. And June 12th, I'll see you in Aldershot. Get your tickets now. Tickets are available. See you there. England, so far.
Yeah, people, so when you hear the cities them, and if you did it, you know what I mean? Like I say, if you can't make it. I'm not telling yourself to put it at one and can reach, but if you can, you know what I mean? Most definitely. If I'm anywhere close by that she's got to be, you know, so I have to do this. So, yes, so big up the top girl. So in addition to that, I want to telling you some of the other places where she's going to be at in the near future, right? Because she announced and tell us all of the places that she's going to be. And so May 21st, that's going to be the next show, and that's in Boston. Then she move on May 22nd to Dallas, Texas, May 23rd, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and May 27th, Georgetown, Guyana. Then she go to England on June 3rd through June 12th. All of that is going to be in England. And again, London, West Midlands, and Sheffield, Manchester, and somewhere else. I don't quite remember, but it's on the screen, right? And then June 19, Panama City, and that's in Florida. And also St. Kitts on June 24th, June 25th, Antigua, June 26th, and Catherine, Jamaica. And she also booked for Reggae Sumfest, people, and that's in July. That's July 22nd. I think it's Dancehall night. So around that time, if I'm not correct, I will make sure that I, update on upon that as well, right? Then July 1st, she there Cayman Island. Then she had there New York again, up at a place that I can't pronounce the name, but it's on the screen, right? Me always have to hear somebody say it, then I can't repeat it. I can't call it by myself. Saying, and then July 17, she's in St. Mary again. Was St. Mary love Top Girl? I think there was a St. Mary before that, right? I don't know, but she there at Jamaica. Oh, it was St. Elizabeth. I'm sorry about that, right? Okay, so July 23rd is Sumfest. See it here right there. So July 21st, 23rd, she's gonna be Sumfest, be on Sumfest in Jamaica, and then she got Canada again. She got Edmonton, then she got Toronto, then she got Grenada, St. Vincent, Kansas City, and she NYC. That's the last show that she announced, right? And our booking info is there as well. So if anybody are listen and knows that the Top Girl in demand and knows that we want her in the city, we want to promote her, wherever it go, that's an email to contact. And people, I love to see what go on for Shaneil Muir, because we know that, she just changed management. I think it was earlier this year, if not late last year, right? And usually when people change management, is either them slow down or it look like things not go out. You know what I mean? I don't know, but this looked like it was for the better, because she always have show, but right now, people, may I tell you no, this right there, so I don't know, I don't want to compare her to no other artists, but I don't lie people. Maybe the other artists, them just not show for them date, but me knows the Top Girl is in demand. You want to see it? So people, let's talk about Sumfest a little bit. So Sumfest is here again, right? We know what go on last 2 years or so. There hasn't been much of live events going on, you know what I mean? So I show them then do virtually. I think they did some virtual Sumfest. That was okay. You see what I say? But nothing like the party people are in the venue and the music are pump and the drinks are drink, you know what I mean? And the vibes is right. The artists are doing what them supposed to do. Nothing can beat that. You see me? So this year again, Sumfest live. I'm just going to slide over scatter page real quick and just telling us by looking upon the picture, some of the people them will go dip on it. Right? And they want to have the obvious, the star them, the berries and the beanie and buju, coffee. This is what I say. We see Madhouse. So we see Dave Kelly. We see Spragga Benz. So what heap of people. Marian, Baby Sham, Winnie Wonder. And also in the new school now, we know we have TJ, Massacre, Chronic Law. I think we see Intense, Lali, 450, Iwater, Ding Dong, Spice, Alkaline. People, it things sound like a show you we've been away for, right? Idona, Shaneil Muir, of course, Governor, Sizzler, Yaxter, Nation Boss, Jashi, Intense, Skeng, Jada Kingdom, Dexter Daps, Shenseea, a full house people. All of like major artists where we don't see a pop card. We don't know. Maybe later, maybe not. I don't know. But I don't know. It's almost like everybody who can did it. I did it. Now me it's Intense, but now me not see Intense. So I'm not sure about Intense. So I'm not take my word for that. But Governor did it. Oh yes, Intense is here. I'm sorry. And Skeng as well. I don't know if me say Skeng, but Skeng and Intense. Yes, people. So people, it's a full house. The artists them there. I don't know how it goes as far as the reggae side of things. We only see Berries, we see Sizzler. But you know, it always go. They have multiple nights where they have the big name them, and then they have other nights where they have other things, as well as Sound Clash and all. But people, me not lie, it's a good look to know that we don't have a live event for so long, and then we just get this where we get almost, you know what I mean, everybody we can think of. I mean, know say enough other people that did it where we know have pioneers right now. Like, you know, last I watched it, we see Munga shell down the place. That was what, 2019? Yo, Me nah lie, that was memorable. And I don't know the thing go people. Then time I made the hot on Facebook and me I share it whole night. Me get the whole thing from all about. You see what I say? I share it so me get to watch a full show. As well as Buju show around the same time. 2019 or 2018. I don't remember when was Buju show, but the same difference. You see what I say? But people, like me I say, get in the comment section, send some RIP to Lexi. Make sure you click the link and go over there and check out what go on with her memorial service. And also, people, you know what I mean? Comment down below and tell me if you know where the top girl go, and if you not go did it and how it go. Tell me when I look for Sumfest, if you not go just watch it online, or when been a see over the 2 years or however long it was for go Sumfest, and now the time is nigh when I go did it. So let me know what go on down in the comment section. Now people, I just want to say it again, you know what I mean? When you stay safe out there, I just want to know say no matter how things tough, you see what I say, like we say, sometimes you have to go through it to get to it. So there's always going to be challenges in life. Rich people have challenges, just that money and of them challenges. You see what I say? Them have other problems where them have to deal with. Everybody have something where them have to deal with. You know what I mean? There's nobody on earth when I go through nothing. Now me can't tell them to say, nothing, you know, feel some type of way sometime when things go on. But I want to also say, when things are going on, we can look upon it from different angle. And sometimes you say the thing what we are worried about is not so bad. It is said that 92% of what we worry about is made up of things where we can't do nothing about and things will never gonna happen. So if we just hold on long enough, we get to that nice part. Then me know the vibe of the world. You see what I say? Maybe me attack on some people now go through nothing and feel good and you know alright. So you know what I mean? Cheers to those people, but we are talking about the one them where really I got through it. The people them where I lose people like me, and the people them where have other things that go on with them, you know what I mean? Financially and all kind of, you know what I mean, things we are going, you see me? So, them people, big up on yourself. Now, people, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!